Hey everyone, in this video I'll be sharing why I decided to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what I like about it, and why I actually chose it over the Galaxy Tab A9. Now I've been searching for a budget compact tablet mainly for media consumption, some light work, and casual entertainment. After checking several options, the A11 just made the most sense. I've been using my Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite 10.1 for years now. The 10-inch screen is great for watching videos, but honestly, I've started to prefer something smaller. It feels heavy sometimes and not ideal anymore for reading. And whenever I use it at night, it can literally light up the whole room. It feels like I'm staring at a laptop screen. So I started looking for something more compact, smaller than 10 inches but still bigger than a phone. And that's how I ended up with the Tab A11. This is something of a hidden gem. Samsung quietly listed the Galaxy Tab A11 on its website without a big launch event or major campaign. The tablet appeared online first, and only later did media outlets and local markets begin to show official listings. So if you're hunting for a great value and you like uncovering lesser publicized releases, the Tab A11 might just be one of those under the radar picks. I'm sharing my reasons why I chose it. It just fits my needs now, but I hope this video helps others. So first off, who is this tablet for? This tablet is for someone looking for a budget compact tablet. It's great for media consumption. I love using it for reading magazines, comic books, and manga. The 8.7-inch display is perfect for that. Small enough to hold comfortably with one hand, but big enough that the text and images still look clear. I was a little doubtful at first since the screen resolution is only 800 by 1340 pixels. It's lower than my previous tablet, but it actually looks nicer than I expected. I don't have any problems reading text on ebooks. I even do a bit of photo editing. It's much easier on a tablet than on a phone since the screen's bigger, and you can make small retouches easily. Of course, the photos I edit here are ones I've transferred from my phone or camera. The tablet's camera is okay for casual use, but like most tablets, that's not its specialty. And the color reproduction could be a bit better, so I wouldn't use it for professional photo editing. But for social media posts, it's totally fine. Browsing, streaming, and even light gaming feel smooth. Here are some games I played on this device. I tried Racing Master. It's a heavy game, so it's not perfectly smooth, but it's playable. PSP emulation also runs fine. Even though it's a budget tablet, it doesn't feel cheap. The metal back and slim design make it comfortable to hold. Battery life is really solid. Through my first week, I've never had a day where a full charge didn't last. The audio, there's also Dolby Atmos support in the settings, which really helps when you're using headphones or speakers. It makes a big difference in sound quality. This is for someone already in the Samsung ecosystem. If you're using a Galaxy phone, Galaxy Buds, or other Samsung gear, this tablet fits right in. And especially, this tablet is for someone who doesn't already own the Tab A9. If you already have a Tab A9, don't upgrade to this. It'll feel too similar, especially if you have the 8GB variant of the Tab A9. It's better to spend a bit more on a higher tier model. But when I was deciding between the Tab A9 and the newer A11, here's why I went with the A11. The smoother 90Hz display. The A11's refresh rate makes scrolling and watching videos noticeably smoother compared to the A9's standard 60Hz. Updated internals and storage flexibility. The A11 supports up to 2TB micro SD cards and comes with more RAM and storage options, so it's better for multitasking. Perfect for someone like me who downloads a lot of media, games, and reading materials. Just pop in a micro SD card and you're set. Samsung's 7-year software support. This is a big deal. It means the A11 will stay secure and updated for years, which you don't usually get from budget tablets. The A9 was promised 4 years of updates until around 2027, while the A11 gets 7 years, all the way up to 2032. Even though the screen size didn't change, the A11 just feels smoother, newer, and more future-proof. Exactly what I wanted. So yeah, that's why I went with the Galaxy Tab A11. Basically, I wanted something portable that I can use anywhere, on the couch, at a cafe, or before bed. And the Galaxy Tab A11 nails the balance between size and comfort. If you're looking for a reliable portable tablet for streaming, reading, or light productivity, this one's a great choice. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. And I'll see you on the next one. Happy trails!